Crafting unusual metal sculptures from discarded industrial scraps is a fascinating endeavor that not only reveals the inherent beauty of overlooked materials, but also demonstrates a unique approach to art that intertwines creativity with functionality. This transformative process involves taking what many would consider waste, such as broken machinery parts, rusty pipes, and other metal remnants, and turning them into striking, sellable decor items that enhance living spaces while providing a glimpse into the artistry that can emerge from industrial refuse. By employing techniques such as welding, shaping, and finishing, artisans can create captivating pieces that serve both aesthetic and practical purposes, ultimately achieving an artistic vision that aligns with profitable outcomes. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The journey begins with sourcing the raw materials, discarded industrial metal scraps that can be found in various settings, including construction sites, factories, and scrapyards. These places are often teeming with potential, harboring pieces of metal that have lost their original utility, but possess a certain allure and character. Each scrap carries a story of its previous life, whether it was part of a heavy machine or a fragment of building infrastructure. Artisans must carefully select pieces that not only resonate with their artistic vision, but can also be effectively transformed into functional art. In this phase, the process is deeply rooted in the appreciation of history and the narratives that these materials bring along, offering a context that enriches the creative exploration. Once the materials are gathered, the intricate process of transforming them into sculptures begins. The first step often involves cleaning the metal to remove any rust, grease, or debris that may hinder the subsequent shaping and welding processes. Depending on the condition of the metal, this may require mechanical cleaning methods, such as sanding or grinding, or chemical means, such as rust removers. This preparatory work brings the material back to life, revealing its underlying beauty and ensuring that the eventual finish will showcase its character. This meticulous approach to cleaning is crucial. It highlights the contrasts in texture and color that can emerge during the crafting process, enriching the final piece. With the metal prepared, artisans can begin the fun and creative process of welding and shaping the scraps into their desired forms. Welding serves as the backbone of this transformation, enabling artists to join multiple pieces of metal to create cohesive structures or intricate designs. Mastery of welding techniques is essential. It allows for various joint types, including butt, fillet, or lap joints, which can influence the overall structural integrity and aesthetic of the sculpture. This phase also presents exciting opportunities for artistic expression, as artisans can manipulate the metal into organic shapes, geometric forms, or even abstract designs, relying on their imagination to dictate the final outcome. As artisans weld and shape, they often consider how the final product will serve both function and form. For instance, a sculpture crafted from industrial scraps could serve as a striking garden ornament, a functional piece like a lamp, or even a unique furniture element, such as a table base. This duality of purpose not only heightens the appeal of the artwork, but also opens up different markets. Functional art captures the interest of consumers who are searching for pieces that serve a specific role in their homes, while still making a bold artistic statement. By envisioning how each piece can enhance a space, artisans strike a balance between artistic vision and market demand. While the welding process plays a critical role in joining materials, shaping the metal into dynamic forms contributes heavily to the overall aesthetic quality of the sculptures. Artisans may employ techniques such as bending, forging, or cutting to manipulate the metal in ways that create movement, depth, and visual intrigue. The interplay of different types of metal scraps, from stainless steel and copper to iron and aluminum, offers a wide range of textures and colors, allowing for complex layering that enriches the final piece. Lighting becomes a crucial factor in showcasing these works. The way light interacts with the various surfaces can dramatically alter the appearance of the sculpture, creating a living, breathing element in any space. After the welding and shaping processes are complete, the finishing stage is vital to ensure that the sculpture is both visually appealing and durable. The choice of finishes can significantly impact the final look of the piece. Artisans may choose to apply paints, patinas, or protective coatings, each influencing the sculpture's aesthetic and longevity. A raw, industrial look may be desired for some pieces, where rust and oxidation can be left to develop naturally, celebrating the beauty of imperfection and the passage of time. Alternatively, other pieces may be polished or coated for a sleek, modern appearance. This finishing touch is often where the artist's personality shines through. Each choice communicates a certain vision or emotional response that can resonate deeply with potential buyers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Once the sculptures are completed, artisans can begin to effectively market their work, showcasing the unique qualities that make each piece special. They may utilize social media platforms, craft fairs, and galleries to present their creations to an audience eager for distinctive decor that reflects originality and character. Telling the story of the sculptures, how they were created, the materials involved, and the inspiration behind them becomes a powerful tool in marketing. This narrative not only engages potential buyers, but also fosters a connection that enhances the perceived value of the artwork. When consumers understand the journey of transformation from industrial scrap to functional art, they are often more inclined to appreciate and invest in the pieces. Furthermore, the artistry behind crafting sculptures from industrial materials taps into a larger cultural movement that values sustainability and environmental responsibility. As society grows increasingly aware of waste and its impact on the environment, consumers are seeking to support artists and businesses that prioritize upcycling and resourcefulness in their creations. Artisans who transform metal scraps into functional art embody this ethos, appealing to customers looking to furnish their spaces in a way that aligns with their values. In essence, each sculpture tells a story not only about art, but also about sustainability, responsibility, and the beauty of regeneration. To maximize the profitability of these metal sculptures, artisans can diversify their offerings to cater to various markets. Larger sculptures may find a place in public art installations or commercial spaces, while smaller pieces can be made for residential markets, appealing to homeowners in search of unique decor. Collaborations with interior designers and architects may also present fruitful opportunities, allowing artisans to create bespoke pieces tailored to specific projects or design visions. The landscape for unique art pieces continues to expand, with the rise of driven consumer interest in artistically crafted decor paving the way for innovative marketing strategies that highlight both function and artistic expression. Through the exploration of transforming discarded industrial metal scraps into functional art, artisans illuminate the hidden potential within what is often cast aside. This journey requires a delicate mix of craftsmanship, artistic vision, and market awareness. The meticulous processes of cleaning, welding, shaping, and finishing culminate in sculptures that not only captivate with their beauty, but also function as valuable components in modern decor. By embracing the narratives that these materials carry and communicating them effectively to audiences, artists elevate the perception of their work, demonstrating how waste can become a reservoir for creativity and profit. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.